My shed is in a bit of a mess. I need to sort out my tools that are here. I need somewhere to keep them. But all these bits of wood, I know, I'm going to make some crates out of them. Hi, I'm Angus. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to sort my shed out. I need somewhere to put my tools and I've got these bits of wood left here. So what I'm going to do is to make some crates really quick and easy out of these bits of wood, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. So all we need for this job is 3 bits of wood for the sides and the ends. We're going to cut one in half, so they've just got to be 2 lengths the same, and then the width's got to be then the same width, and I'll show you how to do that. And then 2 bits of wood for the base. The tools you'll need: electric screwdriver is really handy. You could use a hand one, but it will take a little bit longer. So an electric screwdriver, a saw, circular saw is good, or you can use a hand saw. A flat edge, you can use a saw, and we'll use it as a right angle to be able to get the correct angle for cutting the wood. We use a workbench, but we'll also use these quick grips as well. They're really handy just to hold the wood in place. A tape measure, a pencil, some screws. I'm going to use some 3.5 by 50mm screws to screw the sides together, and then I'm going to use some 3.5 by 25mm to screw the bottom on. Okay, let's do it. Let's see how it goes. 3 bits of wood. Those 2 are the same length. I'm using a clamp just to make sure this is really secure for sawing. I'm just sanding this down slightly just to make sure that there's no sharp bits. I'm checking they're both the same size. I've got some screws, 3.5 by 50mm. I'm partially screwing the screws in. This is a much easier way to do it when I'm screwing the box together. Screw them into the ends, got them ready. Hold the 2 bits of wood firmly together and then screw together. And then do exactly the same on the other bit. Now for the other end. Line this up accurately and then screw together. Great, that's the sides done. I'm going to use these bits of pallet wood for the base. They're not quite the same width, so I'll have to do it with a bit of a gap in the middle, a bit like an old school fruit crate. Offer up the 2 bits of wood to the rest of the box and then mark. I'm clamping the 2 bits of wood together, and this way I know they're going to be exactly the same length. I'm using my saw as a right angle to get a nice straight line. I've got some 3.5 by 25mm screws just to screw the bottom on. got slightly shorter screws just for the base. Great, that's it. That looks quite good. I don't mind saying so myself. Okay, box. Okay, I've made a couple more. These are going to work really well for storing my tools in. Okay, now to try them out. Okay, I'll put the stuff I'm less likely to use in the bottom. Angle grinder, planer, I have to put these at the top because I don't think I'm going to get another box on top of them. Well, that's tidied my shed up a bit. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for some more DIY videos.